of our House rules to seek the leave of this House to move a motion on the urgent need to investigate the failure and refusal of the Niger Delta Development Commission to submit its budget estimate for 2019 to the National Assembly for approval. And for the want of time, I'm also pleading with the House to consider it as a matter of urgent public importance that is needed to be heard now. So I ask that you waive the relevant rules. Thank you.
Those in support of the motion, please say aye. Those against, please say nay. Ayes have it. Okay,
The urgent need to investigate the failure and refusal of the Niger Delta Development Commission to submit its budget estimate for 2019 to the National Assembly for approval. The House notes that the Niger Delta Development Commission was established by the Niger Delta Development Commission Act number 6 of 2000, Establishment Act number 6 of 2000, with a clear mandate of developing the oil-rich Niger Delta region of Nigeria. The House also notes that in order to achieve the above mandate, NDDC is charged with the responsibility, among others, of conceiving and formulating policies, guidelines, and comprehensive master plan. And indeed, the NDDC has lived up to its responsibility in developing a strong master plan covering key sectors, ranging from agriculture, health, environment, to energy, telecommunication, and transport infrastructure, among others. And this has resulted to the substantial expenditures, including the award of huge contracts. The House is aware that the Section 80, Sub 3, and Sub 4 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as altered, which reads as follows. Subsection 3, no money shall be withdrawn from any public fund of the Federation other than the Consolidated Revenue Fund of the Federation, unless the issue of those monies has been authorized by an act of the National Assembly. In subsection 4 of Section 80, it reads, no money shall be withdrawn from the Consolidated Revenue Fund or any other public fund of the Federation except in the manner prescribed by the National Assembly. This section makes it explicitly mandatory for the National Assembly to authorize any and all manner of expenditures from all public funds of the Federation, including the funds of the NDDC. The House is also aware that in compliance with the foregoing provisions of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Section 18, Sub 1 of the Niger Delta Development Commission Establishment Act, number 6 of 2000 as amended, mandates the board of the commission to, in quote, not later than 30th September in each year submit to the National Assembly through the President an estimate of the expenditure and income of the Commission during the next succeeding year for approval. Further aware that the provisions of Section 82 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as altered, which empowers the President to authorize withdrawal of money from the Consolidated Revenue Fund of the Federation for the purpose of carrying on the services of the government of the Federation for a period not exceeding 6 months, provided that the amount does not exceed the amount authorized by the National Assembly for the same corresponding period in the previous year. This may apply to NDDC mutatis mutandis. Also, the stop that as of today, more than 13 months after the time required by law the Commission is yet to submit an estimate of its expenditure and income for the year 2019, thereby grossly failing to comply with the above statutory provision, by which the budget estimate should have been presented to the House before September 30th, 2018. The House is worried that despite their failure to submit the 2019 budget estimate to the House, the Commission has for a whole year been operating, making expenses and awarding contracts to further its master plan, with certain contracts awarded to the amount of 10 billion naira without an approved budget as required by the Constitution and the Enabling Act. The House is deeply worried that the NDDC has further violated the provisions of Section 82 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as altered, by incurring expenditure far beyond 6 months as required thereunder, and had spent monies in excess of half the amount approved by the National Assembly in each 2018 budget. The House recalls that the ad hoc committee on NDDC to investigate abandoned projects since 1999, set up by this House, had uncovered a total of 250 contracts awarded to phony companies in May 2019, without appropriation nor due process compliance as required by the Bureau of Public Procurement, BPP. The House also recalls that despite series of invitations by both committees of the Senate and House upon the expiration of the 2018 budget of the Commission, NDDC has refused to honor such invitation extended to them by this House regarding its 2019 budget estimates. The House is concerned that the failure and the refusal of NDDC to submit its budget estimate for 2019 has created an opaqueness in the operation of the Commission, which has encouraged corruption, mismanagement, and embezzlement of funds meant for the use of the development of Niger Delta region and the entire nation at large. Deeply concerned that the delay in the submission and the passage of NDDC budget, as well as the continued expenditure of the Commission beyond the constitutional threshold, amounts to fiscal indiscipline, engenders corruption, and provides the platform for arbitrariness by the management of the Commission. The House resolves to urge the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, to suspend all payments save for the personnel and overhead costs with immediate effect. 2, invite the Honorable Minister of Niger Delta and Board of Niger Delta Development Commission or any other constituted body in charge of the affairs of NDDC to explain to the House why the Commission has been spending money which were not appropriated and approved by the National Assembly in violation of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as altered, and the Niger Delta Commission Establishment Act No. 6 of 2000 as amended. And 3, mandate the House Committee on Niger Delta Commission to conduct a comprehensive investigation into the financial activities of the Commission in the last 1 year and report to the House in 4 weeks. I so move.